I made a new friend off of Facebook. Say hello. Hello good people, I am very excited to be in San Diego, and today is my first kind of real touristy day, hopping around, checking out some of the sites and everything. But I'm starting with whale watching, and this is something that I had heard about a lot before I got here. Like right before I heard that it was like whale watching season, so you know I have to go see them. Like I want to see the whales, I want to see the dolphins. The dolphins are normally guaranteed. The whales can be hit or miss, but I'm going with flagship cruises. I did change because I was trying to be cute as always, but they want you to wear layers and closed-toed shoes, so I went and put on some real clothes instead of like my summery things that I've been wearing since I've been here. And they say there's a 90% chance you'll see a whale, so I'm hoping the odds are in my favor today. Let's go whale watching. Y'all know my vlogs are not complete without a hostel recommendation or two. This one is HI San Diego downtown. If you're looking to stay in the glass lamp quarter with all the parties, the bars, all the clubs, this is definitely where you want to be. It's super spacious. I got a private room and there is no bathroom in the room, but it is right across the hall. It's also a pretty big hostel. It was 3 floors, so if you're looking to meet new people, I think this is a great choice. And they have a movie room as well as some planned activities that you can find in the lobby. If you are a very social solo traveler, it's definitely the spot to be. However, if you're looking for a hostel right by the beach, I recommend Jolla and Ocean Beach Hostel. I again got one of their private rooms. As you can see, the room is also very spacious and the bathroom is located in the room. Ocean Beach also has a ton of activities throughout the week depending on when you want to visit, and tons of outdoor space if you want to relax outside and meet new people. I think it's a great choice. And after I switched to Ocean Beach, my portable charger that all solo travelers need, okay, we don't want our phones to die, and I headed to the Mexico-California border to go to Tijuana. Hello, it has been a whirlwind of the past 48 hours. I went to Tijuana today, which I know this is like a San Diego vlog, but Everyone talked about how close it was and that I should go because it is like so close. So I ended up booking a tour through Viator, and it's my first time using Viator, and I love the tour. It was great. There were about 5 of us, so it was small, plus the tour guide. He was super great. His name is Berto. I'm gonna put the link to the tour below because I ended up having a great time. It was a food tour. We did eat essentially the whole day, so I am very full right now. We also did some tequila tasting, and I did get a little tequila myself to go. A lot of fun though. I will say, if you are gonna go to Tijuana from San Diego, make sure you're in like San Diego proper. I ended up switching hostels this week because for my second week of my remote work, I will be staying in Ocean Beach, and it is an hour and a half from the San Isidro border crossing. I would say if you are going to go to Tijuana, make sure you are staying in like downtown San Diego. If you don't have a car, like I don't, and you're going to take the blue line all the way up to the border, then just be in San Diego because it adds an extra 35 minutes if you are coming from like Ocean Beach in particular. But yeah, I am tired. I'm about to relax.
2,000 years later.
Hello, I am on an accidental hike. So I was trying to go to this little park called Presidio Park, but it's looking like it's a hike and it's not actually walkable. I am going to take my little cute solo traveling self back down to the bottom and just, you know, hang out there and see what I can do. Probably do a little bit of writing or something. I wanted something really chill, and this is like an uphill hike and I'm not dressed for this, so we're gonna go walk back down. Like, I'm quite literally not dressed for this. All right, I ended up finding a different spot, not Presidio Park, though it does look pretty. So if you have a car, definitely go up there. But this is Old Town San Diego, like State Park, I think, or something. So I might pick it here. In a Facebook group. Now we're here. Yay! And we're at Sunset Cliffs, which is like the most beautiful part of San Diego. So we're gonna be extra and take photos and enjoy the sunset like black girls who travel and like nice things do. Oh my gosh. Just rocks everywhere. We wore sandals. Not the best decision. At all. We decided to sit because there's no way we were walking through that water with this tide.
The things TikTok don't tell.
Right, TikTok did not tell us that you have to legit walk through the water to get to the sea cave. I'm okay. I can't swim. I got on platform Tevas. No, ma'am. No. know. So we're gonna sit here and enjoy the view. It is beautiful. After one more breakfast and then also going to the gorgeous Balboa Park, which if you love southern Spain like Granada and Sevilla, you would love this park so much. It was time for me to say goodbye to San Diego and Ocean Beach. I did go to Flavors of Africa after going to the park though, and will highly recommend their food. It was very delicious. And then of course, you know, solo girl on public transport headed back to Ocean Beach for one last breakfast. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope to see you all at my next video because your girl hopped back on the train. So I look forward to sharing my train travel experience with y'all next. Bye everyone, stay curious.